Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2003 Toyota Prado, stock number 6045. It's ran from 2003 to the 10th 2006. It's a 1K ZFE 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1K ZFE 3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Spare wheel 17-inch, good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.